Today on How To Blind, we'll be showing you how to install your outside recess cassette roller blind. First, we'll mark up for our brackets. Using a debit or credit card, prop it against the top of the recess and strike a line across the top. Do the same for the opposite side, and we have two even guides to mount our brackets. Take your face fixed bracket and line the bottom of it with the line we just marked. If you're drilling and using raw plugs, then mark your drill holes. If not, then tap the screw into the wall to secure the bracket. Do the same for the second bracket. Now we can install the roller blind. Lift the cassette up to the brackets, ensuring you're happy with the alignment against the window recess. Once happy, push up from the back to clip into the brackets. And we can check the operation of the blind. We'll do the same for our motorised blind too. Lift and install the cassette into the brackets once again. And you can operate the blind using your new one-touch remote. And that's how to install your manual and motorised cassette roller blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blind.